In this video, we're going to find the missing number in an addition sentence. So this is kind of like the start of understanding how equations work. So if we have a problem like this that says find the missing number, and we have 173, here's the blank box, the number that we're trying to find that adds to give you 800. Okay, so how are we going to do that? So find the number that makes the addition sentence true. So this is the addition sentence. And I can quickly tell you the answer that the way to find this missing number is to subtract 173 minus 800. And why am I saying that to you? Because I want you to understand why we would do that. And here's the explanation. 173 plus question mark equals 800. Okay, question mark is what we're trying to find. Step 2, subtract 173 from both sides of the equation's equal sign to find the answer. So I'm going to subtract 173 from here, and I'm going to subtract 173 from here. And it's going to look like this, right? 173 minus 173 plus question mark equals 800 minus 173. You do this to keep the balance on both sides of the equation. So what you do to this side, you have to do to this side. Okay? So what does that look like after we do this subtraction here? We're basically just left with a question mark. And that's the number we're trying to find. So the number we're trying to find is equal to 800 minus 173, which is what I said at the very beginning of this video, right? So you really just subtract 173 from 800. So let's do that calculation. So let me put that in blue. So we can't subtract 0 minus 3. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take 1 from 80. 80 will become 79. And this 0 here becomes 10, right? We borrowed a 1. So 10 minus 3 is going to be 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. So that's just another quick lesson on borrowing and subtracting, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to check. So this is the answer we got, 627. So we're going to add it to the original addition sentence here, right? So 7 plus 3 is 10. Oh, let me change my color. 10. So we carry a 1. 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So we carry another 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Look, we have 800. So the check worked out. We get a big check mark for that. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. There's nothing wrong with repetition. Anyone can do this. Just rewatch the video. And if you need more resources, if you look in my description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook and follow along this exact lesson in the ebook.